Hello everybody, I wanted to show my latest trash find. But before I get into that, I have to take care of a little business here. In the past 10 days I've had 2 relatives fall and break bones. So I may not be able to get new videos out as quickly as I'd like. So please bear with me, and hopefully by the end of May things can get more back to normal. But let's get into this video right quick. I was at work yesterday doing my route, checking some paper towels and stuff at the gas pumps, and this was laying right on top of the trash pile. So I was like, what the heck? That looks brand new. So we're going to take it out of the package and see if it works. It's a light switch plate with a thermometer. So I thought, well, I don't have anywhere in the house that has this kind of switch plates, but out in my workshop I indeed have a place I can put it. So out here in the workshop is where I'm going to put it. And it's kind of had come open a little bit today, but it was completely sealed yesterday. And it's got Fahrenheit and Celsius selection, and it's never been installed. It's still got the little protector for the battery so it doesn't engage prematurely. Here's a look at the back. Instructions and whatnot. Takes an LR44 battery. 1-year warranty. It's China pride, but it's cheap as free. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Let's remove the protective cover on the LCD display. And then I'll pull the little tab out and activate the battery. Maybe. Let's see. Might have to open it up. It's got a GPA 76 battery. That's odd. Doesn't work. I can see why it doesn't work. The battery's corroded. Doesn't look like it screwed the terminals up. But yep, I will pick up an LR44 battery while I'm out, and we'll get back to this pretty soon. After about a week delay, I'm back in the workshop. Side note, I had 2 relatives about 5 days apart fall and break bones, so I've been helping them out. And some of the other extra stuff I like to do has just had to be put on the back burner. This light switch plate is one such instance. Yesterday I bought an appropriate battery. First I looked up what these cost to see if it'd be worth repairing, and they run about 15 to 20 bucks. A 3-pack of batteries was about $4. So I said, what the heck? I guess so. Let's fix it. Here's the original battery. It's a GPA 76. This replaces A76, EPX 76, so it should be a 1.5 volt battery that I'm replacing it with. It's the same size. Let's pop it in and see if it works. I hope so. I kind of want to use this thing now. The battery fit. And it's not making good contact. It does work though, so I'm going to have, well, there we go. Maybe it's going to work at 68 degrees Fahrenheit in this workshop. 69 now. Alright, I've got a place I want to install this. Right there where that Texaco light switch is, That's where I want to install this. So I'll take that plate off and put this one on that I found in the trash. And I'll have to make a new label for my Texaco light, which that's not a big deal. And I'm just going to reuse the screws from the original plate and tape the ones that came with this to the old switch plate. Oh yeah, I like that. And there it is. And here's a close-up look of the installation. Looks very nice to me, and I'll get a new label on there. I might try to pull that old one off and stick it on there. We'll see how it goes. And it seems to have transferred just fine. So once again, this has been a look at my trash find light switch plate with a integrated thermometer. Thank you for watching.